Hello friends, this is Advocate Prachi Vazalwar. I am a corporate lawyer practicing in Bombay High Court and all the company law boards. In my 10 years of practice, I have extensively dealt with corporate cases dealing with operation mismanagement, mergers and amalgamation, corporate debt restructuring, and winding up. And I have authored book on special economic zone and another one on Companies Act 2013. This video, friends, is the first in the series of video that I propose to upload on Companies Act. I intend to start with my favorite topic, NCLT. It seems very likely that our 14 years of patience is likely to get rewarded, and NCLT may soon get operationalized before the end of this year. The introduction of NCLT will bring in a lot of new and unexplored possibilities, especially for company secretaries, chartered accountants, cost accountants, and it will open up areas of practice that were earlier restricted only to the lawyers community. So let me start first by going into the genesis of NCLT. NCLT was conceptualized by the Eradi Committee way back in the year 2000. It was formed for consolidating all the powers with respect to operation mismanagement, winding up, and revival of sick companies. The primary aim was to expedite disposal of cases, especially those on winding up. Based on the recommendations of this committee, in 1956 Act was amended in 2002 to introduce NCLT. But that amendment was never notified as it got mired in controversy. Madras Bar Association challenged the constitutionality of NCLT, and it was only in 2010 that this case was decided by the Apex Court. It was held that while the concept of specialized tribunal is not faulty, but there are certain flaws in the qualification of technical members and in the selection process. While this case was going on, it was decided to enact a new Companies Act. J.J. Irani Committee was constituted for this purpose. The committee vetted the recommendations of Eradi Committee. That it said that it was necessary to have specialized tribunal. And so the concept of NCLT was also introduced in the 2013 Act. Friends, while the nomenclature is the same, the concept of NCLT in the 2013 Act and in the 1956 Act is materially different in terms of the nature and scope of powers. NCLT under the 2013 Act is a part of a separate enforcement mechanism that is envisioned under the 2013 Act. The new Act contemplates that all civil cases arising under the Companies Act will be dealt with by NCLT, while all criminal cases under this Act will be dealt with by special courts. Investigation into serious frauds will be handled by SFIO. As an interim arrangement, Session Court will be designated as a special court. Thus, like we have some session court that are designated as say CBI court or MPID court, we can initially have some session court that will be designated as a special court. NCLT, however, will be separately constituted and will consist of newly selected members, which will comprise of a president, judicial and technical members. Even under the new act for NCLT, the provisions were challenged by Madras Bar Association. Finally, on 14th May 2015, the Apex Court cleared the last hurdle in the formation of NCLT. It upheld the constitutionality of many of the provisions of NCLT. However, again, certain provisions with respect to qualification of technical members and the selection process were held to be unconstitutional. It was directed that certain changes are required to be incorporated in the provisions to make them constitutional. The changes primarily aim at maintaining the independence of judiciary and to ensure separation of judiciary and executive powers. Judiciary should have a veto power in the selection of members of NCLT. I hope, friends, that you found this video to be useful. If you want me to upload further videos on any specific topics of your interest, or if you have certain suggestions or comments for improvement of this series, do write to me at info.prachivazalwar.com @gmail.com. Also, mail me the topics on which you would like to know more. In the upcoming videos, I am planning to take up 3 practice areas in NCLT, which is operation mismanagement, winding up, mergers and amalgamations. Thank you.